Hi friends, welcome back to ORS YouTube channel. In today's Adobe Photoshop tutorial, I will teach you how to remove text or symbols hard encoded onto your images in Adobe Photoshop. This tutorial is also useful for removing any kind of watermark on your images. So without any further ado, let's get started. We have this sample image, and just like always, first we will try another method for removing this text on the image. I will go to the toolbar and choose rectangular marquee tool. The shortcut key for rectangular marquee tool is M. I will create a selection around the text, and then I will go to the edit menu, click fill. The shortcut key for the fill command is Shift F5 on keyboard. When the fill dialog box appears, I will choose content aware from here, hit OK, and press Ctrl D to deselect. Even though it did remove the text, but it left the image unusable. I will press Ctrl Z twice to undo, press Ctrl D once again to deselect. Next, we will try to use the spot healing brush tool and try what it does. Can it remove the text? I will paint over the text and let the mouse left button go. It did pretty well job, better than the content aware command, but the image is still unusable and we have a lot of work to do. So what is the best way to remove text, symbols, etc. from your images? I will press Ctrl Z once again, and this time I will switch to the magic wand tool. From the toolbar, the shortcut key for the magic wand tool is W. I will zoom in into the text by holding down Ctrl plus spacebar plus dragging with my mouse left button. Now you need to hold down the Shift key to add other letters to the selection. Selections don't need to be perfect. Hold down the spacebar and drag with your mouse left button to pan around. Make sure you don't let go of the Shift key afterwards. Keep selecting all the letters, just like that. And if somehow the magic wand tool is not working as it should, you can always go to the option bar here and increase the tolerance or decrease it. Just keep selecting the thing you want to remove. And once you are done, you need to press the Q key to enter in the quick mask mode, just to see if you have a perfect selection. I mean, it shouldn't be perfect, but at least you have selected all the letters. So I will press Ctrl plus numeric pad 0 key to zoom to fit and press the Q key to enter the quick mask mode. Now I can see that the T in the tally marketeer is not selected. So I will press the Q key once again to exit the quick mask mode, zoom into the T here, pan around, make sure Shift key is still held down and click once again. Press Ctrl 0 once again, Q to enter quick mask mode, and press Q again to exit quick mask mode. Just zoom in a little so all the text or the symbol you want to remove is visible on screen. Go to select, modify, and click expand. Now we want to expand our selection, so everything, in this case the text, is selected. If you are working on a low res image, then I would recommend entering a radius of up to 2 pixels. But if you are working on a higher resolution image, then you can increase this number accordingly. Hit OK and as you can see, our selection has expanded by 2 pixels. Now it's time to do the same thing which was failing before. Go to edit menu, choose the fill command, or just press the shift F5 on your keyboard, and from here select content aware. Hit OK, and boom, you're done. You just need to press the Ctrl D to deselect, press Ctrl 0. If I press the Ctrl Z to undo, and once again, there was the before, and if I press Ctrl Shift Z to redo, here's the after. Before and after. The only problem now I can see is that this crease of her jeans is also removed, but that is easily fixable by using the clone stamp tool. So I will press the S key to switch to the clone stamp tool, or you can go to the toolbar and select the clone stamp tool from there. Take a sample by holding down the Alt key and clicking here. Go to the window menu, and from here choose clone source, and from here you need to rotate. Change this to like -4 degree and start painting. And here we have it. So if I press Ctrl 0 to zoom to fit, press F12 to revert back to original, here was the before and here's the after. Isn't that great? So I hope I helped you in learning something new today. If I did, make sure you are a subscriber of O-Dash.